Welcome to the B.C.L channel. This is the promised graphite sketch and drawing to the 1-point perspective. This picture really freaked me out a bit since I've tried to do a city scene, a classic cliché one. You're looking down the main street and you have the building beside you and so on. But I really hated it. I hated it so much. I erased it at a whole. And then big brain moment. Lol. And I've got my sketchbook out and flipped through to find a motif which isn't a pain for me to draw, just because it's a personal flavor thing, and some things are looking cool, other things doesn't, but it's a huge difference between what's looking cool and what do you like to draw. And many beginners will be confronted with this kind of effect. So I changed my mind and I took my old thumbnail with those, I think, ancient ruins. It fully comes out of my mind, no reference at all, although it's not recommended, to be honest. And I took that one for the 1-point perspective graphite drawing, and turns out quite okay to me. I'm using several graphite pencils such as HB, B2 and B8 for the super dark shadows. During the drawing I was finding out what the hell those buildings actually are. Yeah, you can see that in the time lapse. And so this is an 8-hour drawing. Yeah, have some fun. Like, share and subscribe. If you want to see more of drawing time lapse, tutorial series will continue, of course. The next one will be the 2-point perspective, then comes the 3-point perspective, the 4-point perspective, and maybe the 5-point perspective. Grid warps, scaling, and some compositions which are possible with linear perspectives, such as French tilt, 3-point perspective, and so on. I hope you like the artwork. I hope recognized that a little bit of the depth. Just with one color. Graphite is always a 100% game with just contrast, and the light path makes such a piece kind of popping out, bit realistic. I hope this example was helpful to you to understand the one-point perspective. Bye!